To find Lyft drivers near you, follow these steps. 1. Make sure you have the Lyft app installed on your smartphone, available on iOS and Android. Open the app and log in. 2. The app should automatically detect your location using GPS, but you can also manually enter your exact pickup address if needed. 3. Enter the address of your destination. This step helps the app provide accurate ride options and estimated fares. 4. After you enter your destination, Lyft will display available ride options and an estimated time for the nearest drivers to reach you. This gives you an idea of how close drivers are. 5. Once you have reviewed the estimated wait time, select the type of ride you prefer, such as Standard Lyft, Lyft XL, or Lux. Tap Select Lyft or the option you choose to confirm and request a ride. 6. After confirming, the app will assign a driver to you. It shows the driver's details, location, estimated arrival time, and real-time map to track their approach. Currently, you can't see the exact locations of all nearby Lyft drivers, but Lyft provides accurate estimates of availability based on proximity and demand.